Me and Kylie on the phone, by the way. Ha ha ha. Say hi, Kylie, on the phone, because you're on YouTube. Say it louder. Not say hey. Not hey, Ashton. Say hey, YouTube. Say hey, YouTube. Say it. Say hey, YouTube on the phone, Kylie. Oh, you can't say YouTube. It's like, it blocks you from saying YouTube. And you can't say I hate pickles. I just tried that out earlier, and it says you can't say I hate pickles. It's weird. Huh? I'm out your dinner! I'm looking straight at you! Oh, you got one! I just turned it off, haha. I just turned it off. How many diamonds do you have? Huh? How many more diamonds do you have? 3? Go to the diamond shop. Wait, hold on. What? Hold on a minute. Okay, I'll meet you there. I'll be there in a minute. Hold on, let me get Kyle. Why am I calling my sister Kylie? Remember, you better not cry. Hey, Kylie. Hey. Hey, Kylie. Why'd you just leave? I'm literally screaming at you. Can you buy me something? I don't have any diamonds, really. I only have 3. And I'm saving my diamonds up for a new animal. Can you get me something, Kylie? Please. Please. What do I want? Let's see. Can you get me, come over here. You see, you know where you got the rain cloud? Okay, so, what do I want? I have to get something non-member, so, can you get me, dun 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 dun, the kangaroo plushie. Wait, never mind. Don't get me that. Get me the penguin claw. Get the penguin claw. The penguin claw. Yeah. Kylie, just get it for me. It's on the first page that says 9 days left. Kylie, why'd you put your koala on tray? Who has rainbow cloud? Not me. I don't have a rainbow cloud. Are you still recording? Not. Kylie? Yes, I'm recording. Not me. It's only been 3 minutes since we've been. Kylie, you see where? You know where you got the rain cloud? Yeah, I'm at that place right now. It's right beside the thing that says the feather tail that says new. The feather tail? Yeah. What feather tail? The thing that says new. I don't have the same thing that you do. You don't? What do you mean? Kylie, we need to FaceTime. Huh? We need to FaceTime, can you? FaceTime? Yeah. Can you FaceTime her? Okay. Huh? Oh my gosh, Kylie, I gotta get this rare fox hat. Shut up, I don't want your stuff. They're stupid, you think that's... I'm not talking to you, Kylie. Somebody just wanted... What? So we can't FaceTime? Darn it! Did you get, oh wait, I don't think you got, I think it was Monday's Rare. Did you get Monday's Rare? Elftail Armor? Wait, we need to do it at the same time. X off of the shop right now. What? Well, we got the rain cloud. X off of that little screen. Okay. Put it in 3, 2, 1, click it. Okay, I clicked it. Do you see the penguin claw? Like with the penguins in it? I see a feather tail. Okay, now look beside it. There's a penguin claw. Yeah, that's what I want. And then I'll trade you for it. And then trade me. Put it on trade, Kylie. I'll trade you some good stuff. Yeah, put it on trade. Huh? You press buy it and then put it on your trade. Okay. Hold on. I had to get off because you just added something on trade, and then I look back on. I think the one I'm in's on. It's not on trade, Kylie. Okay, hold on. Let me see who just got online, or somebody got off. Oh, my man hasn't been on lately. It's weird. I'll trade you some good stuff, don't worry. You can trust me. You got an American flag. I would have got like the Asian flag or something. Put it on trade, Kylie! It is on trade! I don't see it. Oh, I see it, sorry. I have more, I think. Ooh, you want a Kit Kat?
Whoa! A lot of my buddies are playing an Animal Jam right now.
Huh? Kylie, I just sent you a trade.
Yeah, I know. I'm like the little caddy.
What?
I'm like the little kitty. It says, are you sure you want to trade those guys in Animal Jam?
Yay! Thank you, Kylie.
You're welcome. Wait, one sec.
Yee!
Grab something. Oh, I have a lot of things I need to put in my behind.
Huh? Did I have anything new? Like for den items? Did I have any new den items?
Oh, I have a lemonade stand.
What?
I have a lemonade stand.
I have one too. I have a lemonade stand too, Kylie. See? I have a lemonade stand too!
Oh, I like this little thing in here.
What?
I like this little thing in here. Don't you think I'm moving in front of you? I'm sitting with all my stuffed animals.
Wait! I don't have my lemonade stand. I think I traded it to somebody.
What?
I don't have my lemonade stand. I think so. I don't know. Hopefully. People keep logging off and logging back on. It's so annoying. Go to my den. I'm at my den, Kylie. Yeah. I put my pillows right there. I use my gyms. I use my gyms. Who's Dagonis? I want to get. I'm probably too loud. I gotta move this if I'm gonna scream. The little pace thingy. Kylie, shut up! I don't know! Yes, I'm recording, Kylie. You're on YouTube. Hee, they just heard you scream. Why would you turn it off? Where are you going? Are you still on Animal Jam? Oh yeah, this looks nice. That looks good. Golden Egyptian scarf. What is that? Oh yeah, I can. What? Oh, Kylie, you gotta email me. Send me an email. Kylie, want me to email you? Oh, I haven't got it yet. Gmail. What? Kylie, I have your email on here so I can log into your email. Ha ha ha. Oh, YouTube's seeing my email right here. ashtonpizza@gmail.com. Woo woo. Thanks for checking your email. Do you want to check your email? Huh, Kylie, did you send? Oh, I see what you sent. Woo! Lol. I just sent you something. Did you say, thanks for checking your email. Do you want to have me as a pinball like this? It would be a great experience. Did you type that? Huh? Are you at my den right now? Who's at my den? Somebody's at my den. Kyler, are you at my den? Who's at my den? This tiger. It's this weird tiger person on my den. Kyler, shut up! Shut up, Kylie! Shut up! I'm sending you, dear. Dear Kylie. Send. I'm sending you an email. Give me stuff. Give me some money. Did I like cash or anything? Give me some money. Love. What? From Ashlyn. Oh, I just sent you something so funny. What? Tyler, did you just send me something? Tiger. Hi. Hi. Kylie, if Ben catches me in here, he's gonna kill me. Like, seriously, his song was you know who, and he got mad, but he's probably not mad at me. I'm recording! I'm recording. Gift. Kylie, are you at my den? Who's at my den? I think this is my clan. Oh, Donovan! I'm so glad. Thanks. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? What? I'm tired. I'm doing something on Animal Jam. Huh? Kylie, you need a bunny. Oh, this looks cool, but it's too big. Hey, what? What'd you say? Huh? I'm talking to YouTube. Ugh, I want to start wearing shoes. Never mind. Kylie, shut up! Why do you keep... Kylie, you're annoying me really badly. Like, seriously. Ugh, it's so annoying. Because Angel got me in trouble. Money. Oh darn! I thought this girl was a boy. Like, I just went like this, and then Miss Walker was like, "Oh, your recess." I was like, oh, "Angel," and then she ruined PE. What? And then she ruined PE, didn't she? I'm not email my dad.